chew on that.
You can't chew on it, but you can look at it. Get it! Yay!
If he
Good
doesn't
job.
crawl any more days, that means he can't have some presents.
Yeah? What do you mean?
So he can get presents now.
He can get presents because he crawled? Are you going to buy him a present?
Yeah, from Toys R Us.
Oh, what would you get him from Toys R Us?
Superhero cars.
Superhero cars. You think he's big enough to play with those?
I think so. No, those are for me.
Note
I
the
think
hair.
That's not for his birthday. Only.
Say goodbye. No?
No.
Okay. You say goodbye?